Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome with the second puzzle. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. There are 2 puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. And I will solve this one first. The binary puzzle number 4202. Yes, 4202. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then. And I'm stuck. Yeah. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Well. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be no. Okay, between 2 O's comes in 1. Alright. Yeah. Thinking 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Looks like we need to compare with only 1 column completed. Yeah. 1. Yeah. Well, if I compare with this one and the last one, if I place no, this is not, this is 1. There could be also a 1. No. One conclusion. Yeah, let me compare this one. The second row and the 5th row. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay, and now, interesting. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then, let me see. Double O here. Come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. Double one here. Yeah. Double O. Overlook this double O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Two, three. Come on, come on, come on. Now I can compare this one and that one. Empty box. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, 1 1 0 0. Empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Okay, but it's not helping me. Not helping me. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Double O here. This one and that one. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Need to compare again. Cannot believe this. Alright. Okay. A lot of comparing. Double one here. Yeah. This one and that one. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. We need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a 4 stars tectonic. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.